Hello everybody, this your boy Tony and I'm back with another video. Look, let's face it, food is high as hell these days. Like, it's crazy as hell. Disgusting! So I'm just gonna make this really simple, easy meal for the family tonight. Remember, I'm feeding the family of 5, okay? So, I got this pack of chicken legs only for $9, alright? That's not bad at all. And you get, look at all these chicken legs. Like, look, that's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 chicken legs for $9, okay? And I also got this this big family bag of cheesy chicken. This was $8. So we're looking at about what, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That's about $17 plus tax. That's not bad at all. Because food is high as hell, man. And I can't keep affording to go out and spending $30, $40 on dinner every night. That's crazy, man. That's crazy as hell. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bake this chicken right here. And I'm going to season my chicken. Y'all know how I do with my food. And that's going to be dinner tonight. Tomorrow, who knows when I'm going to cook. So enjoy the video. Hit the like button. Helps me out so much. And I hope everybody had a great day today. Let's get to cooking because I'm hungry as hell. Yeah, I didn't season, but I washed the chicken off. You know you got to wash your meat, okay? Season all. Garlic salt. And we're out of garlic salt. You using all the garlic salt. Italian seasoning.
I don't like you.
I just said you used all the seasoning. That's all I said was you used all the garlic salt. That's all I said. And I be using this sometimes as steak seasoning, but it's also, you can use it on burgers, chicken, and roasted potatoes. This is really good stuff. If you ever see it in the market, pick some up. This is really good stuff, okay? Don't need a lot because we got the seasoning all already. And voila, what we're going to do is we're going to flip this and get the other side. Then we'll be ready to throw that bad boy in the oven. After your chicken is seasoned very, very well, we're going to place butter like on the side like here. Not a lot, just so it can melt and get underneath. I didn't add water to this, okay? So the butter's just going to melt and get in the bottom so it don't burn up, alright? The chicken is wrapped up in aluminum foil, so we're going to throw this in the oven for about an hour and then take off. I don't know. I don't even know what I'm saying. I don't know what I'm saying. Just throw it in the oven for an hour, alright? It can be cooking for about an hour and 10-15 minutes. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this lid off and we're going to throw it back in the oven for about 20 minutes while your noodles and your carrots and your broccoli cook up, alright? Look at that chicken, y'all. That chicken look good, y'all. Look at that chicken. Oh, yeah. Guys, the noodles is almost done, so what you want to do is you want to add the cheese that they give you. Oh, yeah. It looks like crap, but trust me, y'all, it is like really, really good. Trust the messed up. You want to make a mess here because I should have left it a little bit of unfrozen and did it that way, but we good to go. We good to go. So it's gonna get a little messy. This is what it looks like. If you got this in your market, just go ahead and pick it up because it's really good. Everybody in the household seems to like it really good. Alright guys, dinner is done. You got the chicken, it's finally done. Oh my god, look at that baked chicken, y'all. Y'all cannot tell me that don't look good, y'all. And you got your creamy mac and cheese with broccoli and carrots with a lot of cheese. So I'm about to go ahead and make these kids plates real quick because I am starving like Marvin. I know MJ gonna like that line. But let me make the kids plates. I'm hungry. Alright guys, here go the mac and cheese. Oh my god, this is really good, y'all. Look at this, look at that. And I make a damn mess. Gosh, look at this. Just look.
Waited a second.
I was trying to wait a second. Alright y'all, here go the creamy mac and cheese. Look at this, y'all. Look at this, y'all. And we put extra cheese in it too. So if you want to put extra cheese in it, go ahead. That's what we did. And it's really creamy. Alright, look at that. Then we got the chicken. The wife took it off, the meat off the chicken bone and just got the meat. But you could do it either way. I'm getting 3 because I'm greedy. But look at this, y'all. Look at this meal. Oh. $14 meal, y'all. Can't beat it. Peace out.